Hey guys, it's Brandon, aka B.Rich Beauty, aka your beauty best friend. Baby, new lights, new backdrop, new phone. Who it is? Welcome back to the channel. And he got a little upgrades happening in his life. So I decided that for this artistry video, we'll continue to do festive inspired looks. So we're gonna do a bold eyeliner look today that's festive inspired. So you know what to do. Grab that beverage. Let go. Chile. So y'all know, I gotta keep it real with y'all because y'all know y'all my beauty besties, right? So two things. One, I'm not hungover, but I am hungover, if that makes sense. I feel fine, but baby, I'm moving in slow motion today. You know, he has a birthday on tomorrow, the 23rd of November. And I went out last night, celebrated with a small circle of friends. And baby, he felt every single beat last night. And so my drink of choice today is carbonated water. So I don't know if it's gonna hydrate or not, but baby, it at least makes me feel like I'm drinking champagne with you all today, or whatever you're drinking. And so the second piece, ciao, new backdrop. Y'all know he doesn't iron. I do a lot of things, but he doesn't iron really well. I try ironing it and it still looks all types of wrinkled. So bear with me. Next week, it won't be wrinkled. We'll steam it and all this other stuff. So just don't judge me for the backdrop today. But let's jump into it. So you know what I thought about, guys? I said I wanted to do something bold, and I wanted to do liner. And oftentimes, a bold eyeliner can still be your staple and evoke a good old schmood. So what we're gonna do today is still utilizing MAC's holiday collection, MAC for Frosted Fireworks. And I'm gonna show you how to create a bold liner and make that the staple of your makeup. So to get started, you need a couple of things. So we're gonna utilize Prunella Eye Kohl by MAC and Graphblack Technakohl by MAC as well. And the star of the show today is Firework the Room, y'all. So I'm gonna show you how to use this as well. So first step, you gotta prime the eye. So Prep+Prime 24-hour eye base, fluffy brush, Prep+Prime. I'm gonna be utilizing the Nude Model Art Library palette by MAC. Across the lid, here we go. All the way up. Same on this side. A little underneath. I'm gonna take a little bit of Tint across my eyelid, just to kind of brighten it up some. Just a light sweeping motion. And I like Tint because it's matte, but it also has a nice little soft pink color to it. A little bit of espresso, just to give the eye a little definition. We're gonna use the flower tip of the brush, and we're gonna just slightly carve out the crease. A nice little shadow. I'm actually gonna take this, pull it in, and I'm gonna pull up to my brow. Playing around with shape today. So this technique helps to also make my eye appear just a little bit bigger. Here's the fun part. Prunella eyeliner by MAC. It's an eye kohl. It's super soft. We're gonna take this and we're gonna map out the wing first. And so I'm starting a little bit deeper so that when we do the shadow on top, it really is vibrant. And this helps to create the shape, and you can clean up, you can do all the great stuff from there. So I'm gonna take it, rest it in my inner corner, and I'm gonna pull up. So I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna extend this out just a little bit. Because we're doing a bold liner, we want this to be the staple on the face. So I'm gonna make it a little bit more exaggerated. Onto the other side. Connect and create your shape. Like that. Doesn't have to be perfect because we're gonna go in, we're gonna clean up, and we're gonna continue to build this. The great thing about this being an eye kohl, it's super soft and creamy, and you can easily blend this out as well. Next step, we're filling it in. I'm gonna take this and we're gonna connect it underneath. Voila. Here's the fun part. Take your pencil brush and smudge it out. So it's liner, it's slightly diffused, it's a little bit smoky. It's all of that, right? We have our shape on. We're gonna take Firework the Room, a little bit of Fix Plus, mist your brush, grab a little bit of Firework the Room, load both sides. And by the way, I lied. It's not Firework the Room. It is completely explosive chemistry. I'm so sorry. Explosive chemistry! You can take the brush and we're gonna rest it in the center to begin to build this. Now, because we utilize Fix Plus, it creates this beautiful, like, liquid metal effect. And it glides on so easy and simple. And just a little beauty bestie tip between you and I. If you struggle with like seeing your face doing eyeliner, it's always best to grab a mirror and look down so that way you free up the eye space and you can work it through, okay? And a full transparency moment, I have both of these next to me, Firework the Room and Explosive Chemistry. And I started with Firework the Room in the beginning of the video, and I ended up putting Explosive Chemistry on. So guess who wins? Explosive Chemistry. Just so that way, if you guys rewound this and you were like, but that color looks completely different from the beginning. It is. That's what happens when you have options, honey. You grab the wrong option by accident, but you make it work. Okay. We're gonna take the tip of the brush, of the angle brush, pointing out, we're gonna pull in to make it nice and sharp. See that? Tip and pull in. Now here's the thing when doing liner like this. Anytime you're using a brush and liner, whether it's gel or liquid, you gotta use long strokes. Liner knows when you're scared and it will absolutely not act right if you use like short motions. You can always go back to clean up, so longer motions, okay? Get underneath, we're gonna pull up. I have a clean brush handy just to kind of like wipe away any fallout. Here's another artistry tip because you're beauty besties. If you have a spoolie, take your spoolie and you can scrape the eyeshadow. I'm gonna use the inside of my other compact that I'm gonna use. I'm gonna use the mirror as a palette. Add a little bit of Fix Plus and you can create a slurry here. Look how much easier this is. I'm telling you all about working smarter, not harder. So here's a tip. I'm going on and I want it to be a little bit more opaque right at the corner where the wing is. So what you do is instead of moving the brush the way we've been doing, now you want to go into what I call a stamping motion. So we're going to stamp and press the product on. Stamping motion is just a press and lift, press and lift. Voila. All right, what do y'all think? It's pretty simple, classic, elegant, shimmery. Yes. So we have it on. We're gonna take Sugar Plum and Dancing in the Dark with a 242 brush. And we're gonna just go underneath a little and create a little bit more shadow. Take a little Tint. More on the lid, right through here, just to brighten this up. Boom. Graphblack liner, waterline. Frames the eye nicely, doesn't it? So once you get it on and you get your shape, grab you a clean angle brush or a straight brush. This one is the 212. Oh, I like having a background now, honey. Look at that. Ah! Anyways, grab your brush, your powder, rest under and pull down or slice it away. And this will make the actual wing sharper for you. Ha ha ha. You're welcome. Take a sip. Some people use concealer because I have powder under my eye already. I'm just gonna stick with the powder. You know, a little highlight never hurt nobody. A little flair for the dramatics. Let me make sure the name's right. Mist. Glow. Ow. Come on, glow getter. Oh, yes, honey. I'm about to be high lit. Beauty besties, we high lit over here, y'all. What y'all doing over there? I'm living my lit life. Yes. Turn those high beams on. Beautiful skin. Curl our lashes. This is a great look to do with false lashes as well. So all my beauty besties that y'all want to wear false lashes, do so. Great look for false lashes. I'm doing the extended play Perm Me Up mascara because I want to define and really make my lashes look like they're individuals. And this provides such a great curl. Ooh, I'll get into this. Look. Huh. You're welcome. Break the Ice lip gloss from the MAC Holiday Collection. Make it juicy, honey. And it has this same like iridescent pearl, like this pink pearl gold. So it plays off the liner. And there you have it. Yes. Super easy. I hope you guys like this eyeliner look. Eyeliner is such a great way to command your makeup. Take eyeliner, eyeshadow, sandwich it together, make it pop, right? And I hope this inspires you to feel a little festive today, whether you're going to a holiday party or just to the grocery store. Live your best life. And whatever you do, make sure you are a glow getter. All right, guys, you know what to do. Subscribe to the channel if you like this video if you like, and leave me a comment. But most importantly, are those notifications turned on? I hope so. And if they're not, turn them on. Who wants to miss out on all this great loveliness? Guys, who loves you? I do. See you next time. Bye.